If you know the basics of Te Reo Māori and want to take it further, then we've got the next step for you. Through our Te Reo Māori He Pika Rere program, you'll build your confidence to enter a full-immersion learning environment, learning alongside others at the same level, and build your Māori language skills. Our encouraging interactive program is loved by people from many cultures and backgrounds. Develop a greater understanding of Māori culture while you practice and build confidence in your Māori language skills. We'll break down grammar, distinguish language categories, and give you the skills to be able to articulate ideas and share in discussions whilst having fun with your peers. Over 40 weeks, you'll surround yourself with Te Reo Māori through in-class teaching and through collaborative working environments in noho marae and wānanga. You will need to have access to an internet-connected digital device to fully participate in this program. Here at Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, we offer a range of free services including student support, program support, online tools and access to our world-class facilities around the country. For more information, see our program details online at twoa.ac.nz or come see us at one of our 80 sites around Aotearoa. See you soon, e whā mā.